The Shumpskis.
Ooh, the Shumpskis.
The Shumpskis.
Ooh.
The Shumpskis.
Ooh.
The Shumpskis.
Ooh, the Shumpskis. Shit.
Good morning,
good afternoon, and good evening, and welcome back to the Shumpski Show.
Hey, y'all.
Hey, season 3.
2015. Come in.
Yes.
Christmas with y'all.
Not this damn year. Not this year.
Damn right. Anyway, so did y'all miss us? We hope you did. We got a lot of great...
What? Can I get a word in, please?
Go ahead.
I mean, hush, girl. Let me talk to the people. How y'all doing? 2014, we got a lot of great things coming, so make sure y'all tune in and subscribe to the Shumpski Show. What, baby?
Oh, no, he didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, he didn't. Just tell me to hush. He started off wrong already. I'll be right back. Tell me to shut up one more time here. Just tell me to shut up one more time off the box. Hey y'all, for real this time, come here. Make sure you watch us, because we got a lot of great things coming up. Miss Shumpski might even become a dancer this time. Okay, wind it up, y'all.